So we were sent the KEZE 11-piece pick and hook set. And I have to say, if you do any kind of small repairs, car projects, or tinkering around the house, this little kit is incredibly handy. The first thing I noticed is how solid the tools feel. They're made of carbon steel, so they're sturdy without being bulky, and the grips are comfortable enough to actually use for a while without your hands getting really tired. What I like most is how many situations these end up being useful for: removing gaskets, pulling off hoses, reaching into tight spots, cleaning out electronics. It's one of those sets where you think, I won't really need all of those, but then you really actually do. The different shapes and angles really come in clutch. And the magnetic telescoping tool? Hello, this thing is awesome. If you've ever dropped a screw in the most impossible spot, which is basically me every time I'm working on something, this tool saves you from crawling around on the floor or taking something apart just to get it back. The scraper is great too for lifting stickers, adhesives, or anything that needs a little edge to get under it. Overall, this kit feels surprisingly high quality for the price. It's one of those purchases that makes you feel prepared, whether you're doing automotive work, fixing electronics, or just tackling random house projects. Definitely a solid little set to have on hand, and it would make for a perfect Christmas gift for a guy or a woman